In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access or add someone to a Google AdSense account. This is an essential skill, especially if you're collaborating with a team or have hired someone to manage your AdSense tasks. Let's jump right in and simplify this process for 2025. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google AdSense homepage. You'll find this at adsense.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the Sign In button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your Google credentials to access your AdSense dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the AdSense homepage, where you can see an overview of your account activity and earnings. From here, you should look for the account option on the menu. It might not be immediately obvious, so take a moment to scan the page. Clicking on it will open a new set of options. Once you click on account, you'll see an option labeled Access and Authorization. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where you manage the permissions and user access for your AdSense account. It's a crucial step for maintaining control while also allowing others to assist in managing your account. Next, proceed to User Management. By doing so, you'll access the page that allows you to manage who can see and do what within your AdSense account. Here you have the power to invite new users, changing both the accessibility and the functionality of your account management. Now, click on New User. This button typically stands out and might be placed prominently to make your navigation seamless. Selecting this option is the gateway to adding someone to your AdSense circle. The following screen is where you invite the new user. At this point, you'll need to click on Invite New User. If you're wondering why to go through these steps, it's because safeguarding access controls is paramount. This structured method ensures you're inviting users securely. Once you've clicked Invite New User, you'll need the person's email address. Make sure the email you have is associated with a Google account, as this is a requirement for accessing Google AdSense. After entering the email, you will have the option to set roles and permissions. This is important to determine what level of access you are granting. Make sure to review these settings because you can assign either standard or administrative access. Administrative access allows the user to manage all aspects, while standard access is more restrictive. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, send out the invitation. You've now added someone to your AdSense account. They'll receive an invitation email prompting them to accept, and once they've done so, they'll have access according to the permissions you set. Remember, it's always wise to review your access settings periodically to maintain tight security over your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.